name is Lucsame Gruneck. I am a student at the Art Academy here in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and a student of Globe. My Globe experiences over the last 7 years had helped me to develop a positive approach to research in many ways. They have taught me how to be a team leader and work with my fellow students on various projects. Globe experiences have also helped me to be better understand and appreciate the various aspects of nature. In addition, research has helped me to solve problems that will benefit the environment. The biggest thing that I have learned is that there must be a balance in the world regarding the relationships between humans, animals, water, soil, and the atmosphere. Climate change is already affecting our planet, which in turn will affect everything on Earth. Here are a few examples. Climate change is causing glaciers to melt at a rapid pace, especially in Antarctica and Greenland. This will affect the ocean by causing water levels to rise, which in turn will affect islands such as the Maldives by submerging them. It will also change the ocean temperatures, which could endanger many species of fish, coral, and plant life. Another example of how climate change is affecting things can be found in the droughts. They are already occurring in Africa and Australia. This will affect people's ability to survive because it will make it impossible for them to grow their crops, and it will limit their amount of drinking water. This could in turn cause great population shifts and disrupt the lives of people in surrounding countries. In the future, clean water will be a very valuable commodity because it will become more and more scarce. A last example to show the many effects of climate change can be found by looking at the deforestation that is occurring in Southeast Asia and South America. Cutting and burning down the trees releases carbon into the atmosphere, which contributes more to climate change and also destroys the natural habitat of many endangered plant and animal species. Some of these plants could possibly have undiscovered medicinal purposes. Now I'd like to talk about the importance and joys of research. Research results from the intelligent and thought processes of humans, whose ability to explore questions and try to explain their environment results in the evolution of theories. Research can be easy or it can be difficult, and it isn't limited to either age and occupation. Anyone can do research, be they a child or adult, a student, a doctor, or even a businessman. Students can do research about the earth, water, or the atmosphere in their locality. Doctors can do research about a new antibiotic for effective disease prevention or control. Businessmen can do research about share trading in the market. We can choose what research we want to do and how to do it depending on our needs and desires. We do research in order to solve problems, to create new inventions and theories, to modify original inventions and theories, to modernize previous inventions, and to disprove those theories that no longer prove valid. Right now, there are scientists in the People's Republic of China who are working in genetic engineering, doing research about DNA editing using guinea pigs. In the future, they may be able to have parents choose what they want their children to be like, such as giving a child higher intelligence, being able to run faster, calculate faster, or paint excellently. We also use research to study and understand completely our role in relation to the global warming problem. It is an important problem, and a majority of people, especially scientists, take an interest in it. They study how it affects the living things in the world. For example, some scientists are now studying the effect of global warming on coral and jellyfish living in the brine lakes, which are being affected by the change in the temperature of the sea. Research is not a boring subject, but can be enjoyable and exciting for those who want to do it. Everyone has curiosity about wanting to see the way things work, and research is the way to find answers for that curiosity. In order to do research, though, there are several important things that you need to have. The first thing that you need to have for research is confidence, both in yourself and in the questions that you have. You need to believe in the worth of your question, that it will benefit the world in some way, and you need to believe in your own worth, that you can be the person to find out. Without this confidence, that you may have a question of great importance, but be afraid to ever ask it. Also, you need to think about everything again, now that what you believe may be incorrect, but have the confidence to try and find out. The second thing that you must have in order to do research is love for your work. You must follow what your mind says, although you will encounter many obstacles, and you will have to find ways around them. If you love what you are doing, you will endure. The third and the last thing that you need is just to remember not to let tension possess you. No matter how difficult your work may be, have confidence and love, and you will succeed. World-class researchers bring advantages for communities who receive gains for humans, animals, plants, the earth, the water, and the atmosphere. When you do research, you will learn new things and gain advantages in life, as well as help the world become a better place. Organizations like Gruneck help with these advantages, and because of that, there will be the great demand in the future. Doing research for sustainable communities in countries all around the world.
สวัสดีค่ะ